In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a milestone in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a dedicated place for your milestones. Add your first milestone task, choose a clear deadline, and fine-tune the workspace so it fits the way you work. Start by opening your ClickUp account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace home. Give yourself a moment to get oriented. Everything you create will live inside this workspace. Next, look for the plus icon to create something new and choose to create a new space. A space is like a top-level container for related work, and it's a great way to keep your milestones organized and easy to find. When the space setup screen appears, enter a clear name. Pick something descriptive, such as milestones, or the specific project name followed by milestones, so anyone who joins later instantly understands the purpose. Because this space will host your milestones, keep the setup simple. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Now wait patiently while ClickUp sets everything up in the background. This only takes a moment, but it's worth the pause. ClickUp is building the structure that will keep your tasks organized and searchable. Once the space is ready, you can enter your first task. In ClickUp, a milestone is best represented as a task that marks a key checkpoint. Give your task a concise, action-oriented title, like Design Approval Reached or Phase 1 Complete. A clear title makes reports and timelines easier to scan later on. After naming your task, select a due date. The due date is what turns a generic task into a meaningful milestone on your calendar and timeline. Choose a realistic date that reflects when the milestone should be achieved. If your project has a target week or month, pick the specific day that best represents that finish line. From here, feel free to customize everything so the space matches your workflow. You can adjust statuses to reflect your milestone stages, change colors to make the space visually distinct, and tailor fields on the task to capture the details you care about most. Keep it lightweight. A few well-chosen fields and a simple status flow are usually all you need for milestones. That's it. Open your account, create a new space, name it for milestones, click Create and wait for setup, add your milestone task, choose its due date, and customize to fit your project. You're ready to track progress with clarity and confidence.